Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2018, the Ford Taurus. Stock number is 7340. This vehicle has extremely low miles, only 7,500 miles. Take notice of the exterior condition of this vehicle. No dings, no dents. Absolutely flawless. You want to talk about a powerful vehicle that's going to ride you in comfort and style. This is it. Now taking a look down the driver's side. Going to put you in the back passenger seat. You're traveling with friends, family, colleagues, ample legroom in the rear. And then putting you in the driver's seat, you're going to find that this vehicle is absolutely fully loaded. Power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, power seats, you name it, it has it. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life on that vehicle right there. Do me a favor for more info on this one or any other vehicles in our inventory. Call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save. At Sunset Ford, Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.